Urgent help with Google Ads, please. Okay. Hi, hello. It's been a little over 2 weeks on Google Ads. I started a PMAX Performance Max campaign, the search ads campaign. Okay. I have a total budget of around £80 in a total, £20 on search ads and £60 on PMAX. Currently, I'm breaking even a small. I wanted to ask, what can I do to optimize it, or there is someone that can possibly help me a bit, please. Okay, so yeah, thanks. I will be try to help you. Okay, first of all, it's just 2 weeks. Okay, so we need to give more time. There can be two strategies. One strategy is get the data from PMAX and spend all your budget on search campaign. Okay, this can be a strategy. Another perspective is, tell me which one is working well for you. If you are working well with search ads, you can stop the PMAX and run more on search ads and spend more budget on the search ads. And if you are getting good results with the PMAX, I will give more time to PMAX to get it optimized. The good thing regarding the PMAX is that it has the data which can help you in optimizing a lot of things as well. You just have to figure out the product. So I do not know what products or services you are selling. So with the PMAX, with the e-commerce stores gets too much help with PMAX, and they can find out the top 5 to 10 working products, and then we can create a specific campaigns for search campaigns as well, and that is another way to get more sales. So there are multiple theories and multiple ways through which you can optimize. Now, because this is a limited information, so in my opinion is either run one of the campaign, and even if you wanted to do both, I think that go with a 40-40 budget for each and give them time, and that is how see which one is working well, and then you can focus more. In my opinion, the search campaign is going to be the winner eventually, and get the data from PMAX and use that in search campaigns as well, and that is how you can win with Google Ads and save more money and improve your ROI with Google Ads. But again, a detailed a thorough review audit may tell something different. And a lot more, knowing more about your business, production, services, and location and competitors can also help me determine what's working well. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone, or even if you need a professional help with Google Ads audit, setup, or management, just to let you know that we are a Google Ads partner company with the name of AARSWEBS.com, and the link is mentioned in the description of this video if you want to hire me and my team to work with you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.